Let me show you how to restore your potency as when you were youth, and this natural medicine will make you last longer in bed, even if you're 90 years old. To begin this juice, you'll take 2 half beets and peel off the unwanted part using knife. This juice of vigor is quick and easy to make, I promise. Hi friends, and thank you for joining Green Juice channel. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of the Honey Almond Club. Do you know that beetroot is the most potent aphrodisiac foods because it boosts libido? Beets are high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide expands your blood vessels to increase blood flow. After that, I'll get 2 lemon. Rub your lemon on a hard surface like this to soften it. To improve erectile function in men, lemon is top on the list as a good source of potassium. Now use the juice extractor to juice it out. And flavonoids that help men improve their sexual function. Once finished, the opinion will be available to you like this. Now get a large size superfruit pineapple with this recipe. You'll be cutting clean half of it. Hey, if you are yet to join the Honey Almond Club, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button. Thank you. I will add all of the pineapple in here and set aside. Next, I will cut small ginger into it. Bravo! You've completed half of the work. Now, I will add all into the blender to blend for 2 minutes. After blending for 2 minutes, we will retrieve the jar. Next, you'll require a filter or a cotton cloth, which you'll use to separate the juice while leaving the pulp behind. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to let us know you liked the video. After the juice has been filtered, now add the juice of lemon. Give it a good stir. The juice is ready to be served. Remember that every time you wish to prepare this juice, you must always use fresh fruits. It is suggested that you drink 1 glass at least 3 times a week for great result during kickoff and should be consumed at least an hour before kickoff. Thanks for watching and see you in this next video.